Hello everyone, welcome to how to browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can render in orthographic mode. So let's jump right into the video. Now if you want to render in orthographic mode, let's first press 0 on the numpad, and here let's select the camera. When you select the camera, you should see this icon, object data properties. And from here, you can change the type from perspective to orthographic mode. So that's how you can change from perspective to orthographic type in Blender if you want to render in orthographic type. So I hope this tutorial saved you time, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please leave it in the comment section. Please leave the comment down below, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.